Which process only involves the movement of water through the partially permeable membrane of a cell? So this question is asking for the movement of water. So at a glance, I automatically will choose its osmosis because osmosis is the movement of water molecules from high water potential to low water potential. So it's the movement of water molecules from high to low, and this is the important part, water potential. And there's another important part, through semi permeable membrane. Okay, so the movement of water molecules from high to low water potential means there's no such thing as water concentration, because concentration is basically when you put water into a beaker or solvent into the beaker or some air in a container, and you put something like salt or sugar. Concentration describes how many of these particles, how many of these sugar or salt particles are actually dissolved in the water. So if you say water concentration, that means you put water inside the water. Of course, water will not be broken down or dissolved into water. They're the same things. So we don't call it water concentration, but we describe how much water is in the water as water potential. So if there's a lot of water on the left side, or if there are a lot of water molecules on the left side of the beaker when it's blocked by a semi-permeable membrane, and the right side has less water, the water molecules will travel from where there are a lot of water molecules to the region where there's less water molecules. So this is high water potential, and this is low water potential. So anyways, the answer is C for number 8. So actually, before I end this clip, I should also say that for IGCSE, it's very, very important for you guys to know the definition of certain words, such as you have to know the description of absorption, osmosis, and transpiration. Not so much of evaporation, because we all know what it is. But many of the questions in IGCSE actually ask for the definition of certain words, and quite often the definition of the words actually enables you guys to get 1 or 2 marks by just defining what it is in LAQ questions, in long answer questions. So I very strongly advise you guys to memorize few definitions of certain words. The definitions of certain words. Sorry about that. All right.